In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to the QuickBooks API using Make.com. Now, this process is going to be straightforward, so let's jump right in and take it step by step together. First, you'll need to head over to Make.com and log into your account. Once you're in, it's time to create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as the blueprint for what you want to automate. It's where all the action happens, and your creativity can really take flight. To start, look for the option that lets you create this new scenario. It should be visible on your dashboard or within the menu, and once you've found it, go ahead and select it. With your new scenario ready to go, the next step is all about bringing QuickBooks into the mix. In the scenario editor in Make.com, you'll notice a plus symbol. This is your gateway to adding new elements, so click on it. You'll need to search for QuickBooks in the search bar, and what you'll notice is that there's a wide array of module options available to you for automation. These modules are like bits of code designed to handle specific tasks related to QuickBooks. You can explore them to find the right fit for your needs, whether it's pulling data, creating invoices, or something else. Now we're on to an essential part: authenticating your QuickBooks account. Authentication is your way of saying, yes, I permit you to access the QuickBooks data I need to work with. In Make.com, this is done through a simple, secure process. You'll choose a trigger, action, or search module, depending on what precisely you want to accomplish with QuickBooks. From here, you'll spot an option that says Create a Connection. Click on that, and you'll have the chance to log into QuickBooks and grant access. This step is crucial. It's what ties Make.com to QuickBooks and allows them to work in harmony. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully. Usually, you'll need to log in to QuickBooks, and you may have to authorize Make.com to access particular parts of your account. This is all about ensuring security and precision in how the two systems interact. Once you've authenticated successfully, you'll see confirmation, and you should be ready to proceed. Now you've set the foundation for your automation process. At this point, feel free to experiment and adjust your scenario as needed. Test your setup with sample data to see it in action and make any necessary tweaks. And there you have it. You've connected Make.com to the QuickBooks API, opening up a world of possibilities for automating your workflows and streamlining your processes. Remember, the better you understand these steps and the tools at your disposal, the more effective and efficient your automation can become. Keep exploring, learning, and optimizing.